I like the ones where like it makes the deck shake like it feels like TNT.
Yeah, I like the flower looking one.
Ooh, ah.
My life black. Ooh,
Ah.
ooh, my life black. Ooh,
Oh my gosh.
Happy July 3rd!
Well, red and white anyway. Yeah, well, red, white, and blue. Whoa.
There's a Golden State color, Pops.
Oh my god.
Golden State! Golden State! Golden State!
Yeah.
Golden State! There's a big one! Woo!
Very nice. Red and white.
It's not as big as I thought it would be.
Oh, that was big!
That's a white.
Absolutely.
Ooh. Nice. Another one. Stars.
Yeah.
Stars. Ooh, another star one.
Damn!
Whoa.
That was huge! That was huge!
Wow.
These are huge!
Gotta say wow. Ooh.
Ah.
Ooh.
Ransom, we have like a big backpack, like a big pack of these fireworks.
Yeah. It's gonna be great, right? Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Ooh. Another
Woo!
Woo.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Ah.
Ooh,
Yeah, that tree needs to go. I'm sorry. I
Why?
won't ever come here again until this tree.
Blow up that dang tree or get a tank!
Here comes a big one.
Electricity to your house or whatever that is. Cut it down.
Get a monster truck to run over that dang tree. It's in the way. I wish those farmers would dang blow up the tree so then it'll be out of the way. That'd be great. Also, the tree is kind of swaying.
The tree makes it look ugly. Whoa.
Whoa.
Except
Big.
Whoa.
that one was not big, but had a huge.
That sounded
gun.
like 15 shotguns at the same time.
Or a bazooka firing a firework, right?
There's music playing.
You hear that?
The music? Yeah, this
Sounds
from
like a
Stevens.
bomb firework.
Whoa.
Like what tanks do.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, that was the biggest one so far. Yes.
Yeah.
The biggest ones are the beautifulest ones.
Beautifulest? What are
They had
those?
some.
Wait, as big as the United States?
Yeah.
What?
Like, it has to be like so big it's beautiful.
Whoa.
Like
Oh,
that
that's
one?
like a flower with leaves.
Let's see if we can find a... Yeah,
Like,
wow.
we have...
There was a flower one.
Whoa!
Jellyfish.
Oh my God! Look, it's coming all the way over here.
And let's see if we can see a huge one. In 3, 2, 1, 5.
No.
Whoa.
I should count. Whoa!
I think that's the loudest one so far.
Sounds like a bazooka, right?
Out in the water, you know.
Sounds like that sounded like
That's different.
that sounds like 25 shotguns at a time, right?
Shotguns are louder than RPGs.
Oh.
25 RPGs. 50 RPGs. That would actually be pretty darn loud, right? 50 RPGs firing at a time.